Hello, guys and girls. Welcome to all of you in my new video, and welcome to all of you those who are coming first time in this channel. Thank you for all of you to coming in this, and I hope you will get lots of value from today's video. So let me just tell you about what we are going to cover in today's video. I'm going to cover about the midweek market breakdown. I hope those who are coming in my YouTube channel again and again, they understand what is a midweek market breakdown. So let me just tell you what is a midweek market breakdown. Midweek market breakdown is a kind of session in which we discuss about the current market opportunities. Okay, every week I upload a video on midweek market breakdown, that what is the current price action structures we can look on a pairs. Okay, and some of the important pair I also discuss. So this is what about the midweek market breakdown. Okay, I discuss about the important data which is going to release today and how it can impact into the market. Okay, so this is what we are going to discuss today, and I hope it will add lots of value in your trades and how you are looking to the market. Okay, so this is the first pair. Euro USD is the first pair which I'm looking for. You can see it is very clear on the basis of price action structure. If I'm talk about, you can see this is a broadening pattern. First touch, this was the second touch, and the price is very close to the my POI, which is a point of interest I'm looking for. This is a high value area which I'm looking for to me attain into the market, because the structure is very clear. Previously we had a very good impulse move. Price took 2 days correction, and it was very important. Correction is very important. Okay, let's move to the smaller time frame. Okay, if you look at this is a 4 hourly time frame. You can see the price moved up so impulsively. This is very important move. You can see the price moved up so impulsively. It formed very clear correction, and currently we are at the breakout. Price give a breakout of the correction, and this is my trade. I got involved in that trade. It is very clear. Currently it is triggered. This is my first target because this is my POI. Okay, if the price will break this level, guys, then I will look for these targets. Otherwise I will completely close my position. Okay, so this price action structure, what it will make at this point, this will decide that I have to hold this positions or I just have to close this. Okay, so this is my first trade of the of today, you can say, because this week I had some of the trades which is good, gone very well. I will explain, I will show you which trades I took also. Okay, so this is my second trade of the week. Okay, first trade I took, it was completely hit my target. Second trade, this is Euro USD which I took today, and this is what I'm looking for. It is very clear. If you're looking this right now, you have opportunity to getting involved in that too. Okay, you can take this trade because the price action structure is very clear and very high probable. Very high probability structures is a higher possibility we can make very good amount of profit in that. Okay, so this is my first trade of this sorry, second trade of this week. Let me show you my first trade. It is very easy to identify the structures, these kinds of structures which is keep repeating itself. Okay, so this is my trade. Hopefully I have closed my position just because of the spread and how it was behaving into the market. You can see how sharp the price was moved up. I'm very happy that I was triggered at this moment. But price action structures played very well. You can see currently I have closed this position around this level, which is around 2.30%. Very good enough. And this was my first trade of the week. You can see how I was traded this was a downward channel pattern. Okay, price moved up impulsively. It was form correction, and from the low of the correction I took a risk entry setup which was helped me to capitalize around 3%. Okay, 2.30%. That was my first trade of this week. Very happy to capitalize. Second trade, which I have already explained, that Euro USD is my trade, and I'm very happy that I got triggered in that too, and looking very good on the basis of price action structures, and this is definitely going to be work very well. The third trade which I took today as well, which is the third trade of the week. This is Euro JPY. Very clear on the basis of price action pattern. You can see, guys, it is very clear. We got a breakout as well. This is a 4 hourly breakout. You can see this is a 4 hourly breakout we get in a structure. It is very clearly indicating, and same structure we get previously too. You can see this is a previous 4 hourly breakout we get, and after that the price moved up so impulsively. It was around 200 pips. I was missed to capitalize this trade, by the way, but this time I'm not going to miss this. I took this trade. I'm not attached with the result, I just attached with the right process. Okay, because this was behaved previously, it was very good on the basis of a structure. So there's a higher possibility, because the price moved up impulsively, it is forming correction, it can move up to that level. So this is my target. This is my third trade of this week, and very happy that I got triggered in that with a very successful closing. Okay, very clear price action structure. You can see, yeah. So this was my third trade, guys, and you can still, you have option to trade this trade, because if you're looking this video right now, if you're looking this means at the right time, because you can see every video which I'm uploading. Okay, maybe it will take some time to execute in a market, but most of the times it is executed, because in midweek we share three videos in a week. Okay, midweek market breakdown, Monday breakdown, means forecastings, and trade recap video, which is very very important for you guys to understand that how I execute my trades. Okay, so this was very very important. Okay, I have shared you two pairs, which is Euro USD and Euro JPY, both looking very very solid for the long, both looking very very clear on the basis of price action structure. Okay, you have definitely a chance to capitalize this trades, and you should definitely go into that. Okay, so these are the two pairs. Let me just tell you one of the more pair which I'm looking for, which is USD CHF. Okay, USD CHF, I'm looking very clear on the basis of price action structure, but maybe it will take some time to execute, because of the dollar index. Okay, dollar index was not behaving good. Okay, the market movement in dollar index was not so much clear, but this USD CHF is very very clear on the basis of price action structure, and this is what I'm forecasting this, just because it is not developed yet. Okay, it is not developed yet, but this is also I have in my main watch, just because the structure it is making. You can see it is very very clear price action structure, in which the USD CHF moving on. You can see it is very very clear. In a daily time frame, we are moving into the sideways channel pattern. Okay, you can see this is the first touch, this is the second touch. Currently we are at the top, we are very very close to that level. Price moved up impulsively, we are very very close to that level. Okay, so what I'm expecting, that the price will reach up to that level, just because why? Because the structure itself it is indicating. Okay, moving to the 4 hourly time frame, you will see, guys, this is a pattern separation. Okay, this is a three touch pattern. You can see first touch, you can see second touch, first touch, second touch, and because the price moved up impulsively, there's a higher possibility it will form correction, and then it will move up for the continuation to the upside. So this is what the breakout I'm looking for. It is very very important for me to wait for the confirmations to getting involved in a trades, because to trading with the high capital, it is very very required very lot of patience. Okay, so it is very very important to wait for the confirmation. It is not about the capital and how much you are trading, it's all about the discipline, that how you get involved in a trade. So try to wait for the confirmations. Whenever you trade with the confirmations, the possibility of losing money is very low, but you will learn so much. Okay, whenever you lose, you will learn some concept by which you can not repeat that mistake again, and from the next time you will take care of these mistakes too. Okay, so it is very very clear that we have to understand that market is all about the process, how we are following it. Okay, you have to understand that every pair has a different behavior, and over the period of time, as a trader, what we have to do, we have to gain means behavior, that how the pair behaving in different market cycles and different market behaviors. Sometimes market is very very impulsive, sometimes market is not impulsive, it is in a corrective zone. So we have to identify that how pairs behaving in a different market behaviors. Okay, so it is very very important, and this is what I hope you learn about it. And I would just recommend you these three pairs. Okay, USD CHF is one of my favorite. Look, I'm waiting for two confirmations. Once I will get the breakout of the this structure, then I should definitely go involve in that trade for the long. Very very clear on the basis of price action pattern. Okay, this is the first. Second, Euro JPY looking very clear. You can see the 4 hourly breakout, 4 hourly closing. We also get a 4 hourly closing, which is kind. I can say that it maximize the probability. Okay, the maximize the probability of winning that trade. And the third trade which I'm talking about, which is Euro USD, very very clear on the basis of price action pattern, guys. You should definitely check this out. Okay, so these are the three pairs, guys. I hope you understand this, and yeah, this is what I have to discuss with you. Thank you for all of you to watching this, and if you like this, definitely subscribe the channel. Thank you.